Hi guys, we're back in the studio and next to us there's a social media workshop, so you might be getting a lot of noise in the background, but that's okay. I feel like doing a triptich today, an ocean triptich, and I've got the colors titanium white, winsor blue, turquoise and sky blue. Also I used some gold in there. And I forgot my torch at home. I took it with me the other day. So I think we're gonna do the heat gun today. I never used it on the acrylic pouring. So let's see how that will turn out. Okay, I start with the white and then half part of the canvases. So I wish I had my torch at the moment, but I think I will use the heat gun on later. So I got my winsor blue. Turquoise. A little bit of the sky blue. And let's finish this winsor. A little bit of white. And then gold. Okay, then I'm gonna pour white here and then blow it over the colors and then back out. Let's start with this one. Okay, looks good, and now I'm gonna blow it back out. Okay, so I want to make the tops pretty, because they're not right now. It looks like it flowed beautiful. Yeah, these two have a lot of white here. I really love that, but it's nice to have one within the triptych that is a bit different there. So let's let's use my heat gun for now, because I see there must be a lot of cells popping up. Okay, so that's not popping a lot. Yeah, I really like them. And you know what? The sides are not fully covered, but they all have that, so that's okay. Maybe this one has too much gold in there, but no, yeah, I really need my torch to make these cells happening here, but I can't. So I feel like the gold here is not natural, and at these it is, so I think I'm gonna blow this out a bit. Guys, it's just amazing. These ocean colors, you can't go wrong with it. And this triptych, it turned out beautiful. I love all these parts. I wish I had my torch, but I don't. Yeah, it's beautiful. You know, and this is gonna dry very even because we're in a room now. This studio is room temperature and it takes like 4, 5, 6 days to dry. And that's perfect. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell and like button, and I'll see you next video.